god.
So just like yesterday, I've got to start the morning by going to Fedge's with my laptop and sit on his drive to steal his Wi-Fi. I wanted to introduce Fedge, whose drive I'm sat on. His name isn't really Fedge. I mean, it is Fedge, but his real name's John, but we call him Fedge. Fedge, thank you for your Wi-Fi. So I've just sat down, opened my laptop to find that I've had a response to the stop, start and continue that I sent on yesterday's vlog. It's good. It's good, I'm happy. Changed up the usual breakfast this morning. Got raspberries instead of blueberries. How adventurous. Stepped outside to the freezing cold. It's actually not that cold, it's cold, it's chilly.
Dramatic.
We're having a walk. Amber couldn't really concentrate, having one of those days where you just can't get into it. And I also wanted to shoot some pretty awesome time lapse. So I don't think these time lapses are actually working. There's no wind or anything, everything's just so still. Even the animals don't really want to move. So, I'm eating some lunch and I thought it was a good time to talk about my diet, getting back into the gym and stuff. But how am I going to be eating with getting back into the gym? Am I going to be eating loads, high calories, low calories? What am I going to be doing? So basically, I am not really changing my diet at all from when I wasn't training to when I am now training. The only slight difference is I'm focusing more on protein. It's a bit dark here, isn't it? A little bit better. There we go. Focusing more on having a bit more protein. Now the reason why I'm not bumping my calories straight up is because you should always start by losing body fat other than trying to bulk up straight away, because then you're going to find it so much harder to lose that body fat if you're adding more body fat onto what you already had. If you're brand new to lifting and weight training, etc., then you're going to have these newbie gains and you're going to find it quite easy to put muscle on. You shouldn't have to change your diet too much. If you're training to a high intensity and lifting suitable amount of weight, then you're going to be making gains almost regardless of what it is you're eating. And the same thing is if you've had a training break, you have something called muscle memory. So if you just eat as you normally would do and train again, your body is going to remember the size in which you were and it'll be easier to get back there. My current diet is eating as normal but training again, and therefore I should see some muscle gains without really putting any body fat on. I did actually do a video which went into a bit more detail about how to recover after a training break, which I'll put, I never know what side this is, I'll put it up there and you can go and watch that if you want to. I literally feel like I've been on the phone all day. Amber is still working. I'm going to go and do a workout. So let me get this straight. I'm going to do a workout and you're going to drink wine.
Yeah.
I'm in such a desperate need for a haircut. It's ridiculous. Look at that. It's like curling over my ears. I actually think I could put it in a ponytail. I mean, it's really greasy at the moment. It's actually a bit disgusting.
Can we use a brush?
Need a shower. Huh?
Can we use a brush?
Go on. This isn't right, is it really?
No, it's not long enough.
It's not long enough.
No, it's proper greasy though.
Yeah, I've done a workout without it. Oh God. I look like I'm one of those people that are going on a gap year. I'm going on a gap year. Going to find myself on a gap year. Oh my God.